One of the examples of artificial intelligence plugins we created at AIMS is our module that calculates the probability of closing an opportunity in a CRM pipeline, based on an AI algorithm that learns from the gains and losses history of that specific company. Like all of our plugins, the interface and use are extremely simple. See for example the case of a company that uses Pipedrive as a CRM. Before having the plugin installed, the only field for the probability of closing an opportunity is this one, which is filled in manually by the salesperson, based on their subjective assessment of the chances of closing an opportunity, and often, on their subconscious desire that this happens. Once the plugin is installed, this additional AI calculated probability field is created and populated for every opportunity in the pipeline, and automatically updated every time we save a change to any opportunity. But how does the plugin do this? How does it calculate this probability? Our machine learning algorithm learns from the gains and losses history the company has saved in its own CRM. Once the plugin is installed, our module reads the history of won and lost opportunities that are stored in that CRM's database, and sends this data to our machine learning service in the cloud. Don't worry, no confidential data is collected or sent. We do not use names, addresses, tax data, or any information that allows us to identify the customer or any person involved in the business. Our algorithm analyzes information such as opportunity opening date, values, number of interactions, types of interactions, product and service packages being offered, general customer and seller profile, and other data that machine learning has shown as relevant to close an opportunity, going far beyond the obvious, and identifying complex patterns that are not perceptible to us. Our probability calculation is not generic. What our algorithm learns is completely personalized for that client. Two different companies never have the same closing profile. Therefore, after that company's historical data is sent, our machine learning system carries out the training phase, where it learns and adjusts its way of predicting and calculating percentages based on the historical reality that data showed, and creates the parameters configuration settings for that specific company. So, after we learn how closings happen for that company, those products, that market and those sellers, then we start to predict the chances of closing each opportunity. And all of this happens automatically, quickly and transparently, without exposing confidential data, without affecting other functionalities or the security and performance of the CRM as a whole. This is how our microservices work, adding insights, learning and intelligence to various components and activities of traditional management systems.